Magic 4 Wolf 1, we have a mission update. Slight change for you, Colonel. NRF rebel forces intervent during control of the gas pipeline. Russian ground forces are prioritizing those targets in the landing operation. They're requesting your squadron to provide air cover with Russian squadron. Call sign Molly.
Roger, Magic.
Warwolf, you have a large formation of hostile fighters approaching Dervent airspace.
Warwolf, roger.
Be advised, Russian Surface Command reports ships approaching launch point for landing ground.
Acknowledged. We'll clear the sky for them. Warwolf flight to Molly 1. How are you reading it? Warwolf. Target down.
Target destroyed. Bastard slipped right by me.
Target eliminated.
Yes.
Magic, be advised. All enemy units down. Sky is clear.
Roger that, Warwolf. Proceed to beach and support the landing. Unit ID is 280. They will contact you directly on frequency 30.
Roger that. Moving to beachhead.
Warwolf, Russian Surface Command reports that their hovercrafts are en route to beaches. They're taking some fire. They request immediate suppression of enemy units. Magic 4 Wolf 1. Russian military unit is requesting support.
Warwolf acknowledged. Advise them we're en route.
The highly integrated target system will show information on the HUD. You only have one chance to enter.
Roger that.
All allies, watch your speed.
NIP,
Do not
setting up
overshoot
for
the
run.
target.
Warwolf stop. Lending. Moving to support.
Colonel, get some distance and attempt the approach again. Warwolf 4. I see multiple targets still free. Ignore. 4.
Magic, this is Warwolf 1. Target has been destroyed.
Continue to attack.
Selenia, what's your status?
Very good, thank you. Please, come on, comrade, the next area.
Roger that. NIP, setting up for run.
Legend reports that they have completed their landing. Continue patrol over area.
Roger, Tulenier. We're with you. Move in. Everyone together. missile. Evade.
Damn! Take the proper breath, Colonel.
Roger, Tower. We're targeting the ground forces.
Allied ground forces are taking major damage. Priority on suppressing the enemy.
Target hit.
Target hit.
Allied ground forces are taking heavy damage. They won't last long.
Colonel, looks like our guys are pinned down there. They won't make it without help. I'm going in. Guys, don't do anything crazy. There's too many of them. They're all over. Cross them off. What can I say?
Guts.
Colonel, the enemy's taking fire on Guts. He's in trouble. I'm at Outpost. Start the dance.
Guts. Can't do this alone. I've got your back.
Colonel, we don't have much time. We've calculated the optimal attack course. Adopt it immediately.
Affirmative.
One, hurry!
I see it.
Cross them off.
Report to Tulenyi. World War II is taking heavy damage.
All right. Now. Clear out, Guts. Making my run.
Tight. You only have one shot.
That's all I need.
There are a few of them left, Colonel.
Target eliminated.
Nice kill. Trying to get yourself shot down, sending my stuff.
Let's go, Guts.
Thanks. I owe you one.
Take back the town!
All Allied aircraft, be advised. A large number of bandits inbound to battle area.
Story of my life.
Bandits are in range to attack the soldiers. You need to get on them right away, sir.
Roger that.
Ground forces report taking heavy casualties, Colonel. They need your help to stat. Half of the targets confirmed destroyed.
Target destroyed.
Bandit destroyed.
Magic to Allied Air Forces. We confirm. All enemy planes destroyed. Picture is clear.
Order! The traffic enforcement is almost clear! Please keep on!
Roger that. Look up.
Magic to Allied Air Forces. Targets are advancing toward the fortress. On ground on this.
guys. Missile launch. Nice run, Lieutenant.
Magic, roger that.
Target eliminated.
Roger that, 298. Understood.
Shit.
Yes, sir. Not so good. Not so very good. Colonel,
Warwolf, we have cruised inbound on firepower. Can you answer?
We're on.
We're running out of time. Cruise missile, 10 seconds to the city. Colonel, shoot that missile down. Cruise missile near impact.
Target destroyed.
Destruction of enemy confirmed. Good job, Colonel. Warwolf 1, we have a clean slate. You are cleared to return home.